This is BTV.
Developing products for healthcare can be time-consuming and tumultuous. So when products are finally ready for the market, it's cause for celebration. That's where CardioComm is today with their innovative heart monitoring device.
CardioComm Solutions is very happy to have received clearance from Health Canada and the FDA for a new consumer product that we've called the HeartCheck pen. This device is small and easy to use and allows consumers to be able to buy a product over the counter that allows them to monitor their heart rhythm activity. The device can be used in any setting. Being connected to a computer, it allows the person to be able to be mobile and to be able to send the recordings to us or to a physician with ease.
I like the idea of being able to say and know what's happening with my patient's hearts when I'm not seeing them in the examining room or in my office. The HeartCheck offers an opportunity for a patient who is experiencing symptoms of lightheadedness, palpitations, shortness of breath, to take an ECG at the time that they're experiencing the symptoms and then transmit it for my attention and review.
The software system has been used by hospitals and medical call centers for physicians to be able to interpret and diagnose cardiac arrhythmias. And we've married that now with an over-the-counter, simple-to-use device that will allow consumers to record their ECG and to be able to get a report back, just like this, from the physicians in the call center.
The HeartCheck device extends the diagnostic capability of the physicians into the community, into or towards anywhere that the individual or the patient is who now has the HeartCheck device. But there is more to that story. Most of us have one or another chronic condition or know patients with a chronic condition. Let's take as an example diabetes. Diabetes affects the nervous system, including the nervous system of the heart. It affects it in such a way that it predisposes patients to the risk of sudden death. And we believe that that sudden death happens because of the denervation of the heart. We can now measure this denervation of the heart in patients with diabetes by looking at the QT prolongation using our device. We also know, and FDA has clearly stated that the QT prolongation is one of the most frequent, but more importantly, one of the most fatal side effects of any medication.
CardioComm Solutions has led the way to the consumer market for this particular type of medical device.
We are the first company to offer a consumer, over-the-counter driven opportunity for people to buy a device that will monitor their heart rhythm. And we are the only company that has the software technology to bring credibility to those readings and connecting people to physicians, could be over great distances, so that they can get a report back and understand their cardiac health.
Science has come a long way in the medical arena of home testing solutions.
The pen is cost-effective and quickly closes the gap between people who wish to know what's going on with their arrhythmias or their cardiac rhythm in the community to being able to determine if they need further medical assistance. The solution is an advent on telemedicine and home monitoring, and it speaks to the sort of advances that the first pregnancy test had, the first home blood pressure tests, and the first blood glucose test. This is the first home ECG test.
CardioComm has received several awards, including Deloitte Technology, the Viatech Technology Award for their software, and the Frost & Sullivan Award for enabling technology. Find them on the TSX Venture Exchange under the symbol EKG.